I'm here. Yay! Susan! How are you? You look gorgeous tonight. Oh my God, I love your hair and I love your dress. It's unbelievable. So you're getting the Lifetime Achievement Award tonight? Wow, what an amazing feeling. Talk to me a little bit about what's going through your mind and heart right now.
Well, right now it's kind of surreal.
Yeah.
I haven't had really a lot of time to think about it because I've been working.
Yeah.
So when I get up and say everything, and then it'll probably sink in.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, just a little bit for you guys to know, like, you created this event. Like, this is your baby.
Yes.
You know, and you've passed it down now, but not really, right?
No, I haven't.
Yes.
No. No, I was doing so many jobs that I'm staying with this.
Got it.
This is my baby.
Yeah, this is your baby.
Yeah.
And, like, this is what you've done. I mean, it's such a beautiful event. And, again, I've been saying to so many people, like, the people that you're honoring tonight, like, really, really deserve and need this. And you gave this to them.
Melissa McCarthy. I mean, it's just, I'm so
excited.
thrilled. Yeah.
Exactly.
And she's going to be the first woman to receive the Distinguished Artisan Award. So,
That's awesome.
yeah.
Amazing. And just talk to me a
And
little
you're
bit
here
about.
again.
Yeah, I'm so happy I'm here again. Talk to me a little bit about what inspired you to create the event.
Well, there had been a prior event 20 years ago. And for whatever reasons, we had to stop doing it. And we wanted it back. And this week certainly shows how relevant it really is. You know, the Oscars really stepped at it. And now we get to honor our own makeup and hair people. And that's why we did it. You go.
Yay! That's just amazing. Wait, what happened with the Oscars? No comment. She said Google it.
I'll tell you later. They fixed it, but I'll tell you later.
Okay, good. Well, I'm glad that we're here tonight celebrating with you at this beautiful event where, I mean, and again, like just being an actor and seeing all my friends that have
I know, that's just it. You know everybody.
I know everybody here, and it's just so nice to see them on the carpet, you know, not just behind the carpet.
Well, that was our whole point. You know, they need to get the accolades also.
They deserve it.
And we have one of the prettiest statues in the business.
Yeah, oh my God, it's gorgeous.
Isn't it gorgeous?
Is she talking about you?
Yes,
wait.
I'm going to take off my shirt at some point in this interview. It's wonderful to see you again. Thank you so much for having me. Yeah, so you look gorgeous. I love
stunning.
the
I
hair
love your
color with
hair
the eye.
color.
Clean
The
up
hair
for a
and the
redhead.
eye, isn't that just beautiful?
So pretty.
Yes, really amazing. All right, you're gonna
Thank
come
you
this
so
way.
much.
We love you so much.
Love you.
Watch out
you.
for all of our cards on the floor.